Take Off My Makeup With Me Lace Edition. I really hope I got all my photos and videos because I really like how this turned out. Let's take off this clown collar thing. This is so freaky. I'm talking and it looks like I'm not. I really don't want to take this off. I really like it. I think this is all gonna come off in one piece, which I am really excited to see. No more talking, let's take this off. That's really freaky. I am really glad that all came off in one piece though, because look at that. It's really creepy, but that's pretty cool.
Take Off My Makeup With Me, Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah, part of it. Ah. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day.
Take Off My Makeup With Me Bowser Edition. I am so ready to take this off. This is so heavy and it doesn't even look that good. I'm not really happy with how it turned out. It actually doesn't hurt that bad. Wow, this is the best I've ever looked. Let's take off the lashes and the contacts. I look insane. I'm gonna go shower.
Take Off My Makeup With Me. I love how this one turned out and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh girl, she's not budging. Ow! No way, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig, because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. one single lash. And how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Chucky edition. I don't even know where to start. It goes all the way up here. Let's take out the little staples. This is gonna be so gross to take off. Okay, what's next? Let me get my spatula. I did put liquid latex over my eyebrow, so let me do that off camera to make sure it didn't come off. Good news, this eyebrow is good. Oh, I forgot I have this. Ew, how do I even take this off? Okay, I think I can take it off now. Let me do my eyebrow first. Okay, I think that eyebrow is good. So close. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go shower now. This is disgusting.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Five Nights at Freddy's Puppet Edition. Luckily, this is all one piece, so it should come off pretty easily. This is gonna be so hard to take off.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh, nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me, Five Nights at Freddy's Foxy edition. Let me take this off so I can actually see. Okay, I'm gonna start with the ears. Not gonna lie, I think this might be the best one I've done so far. Okay, now we can take off these little hair things. And now the mouth. Let me just take this off. And now the final piece.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank god. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean.
Okay, so I look rough, but y'all already knew that. And today I'm going to be wiping on my makeup. But not actually wiping on my makeup because that's not possible. But I am wiping on my makeup in reverse. Because you all told me the girls will give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on, TikTok. I am begging you.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio.
I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long, or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now.
Take Off My Makeup With Me, Five Nights at Freddy's, Bonnie edition. I'm really ready to take this off. I'm gonna start with the ears. And now the mouth. Ow. This one kind of hurts. Okay. Ew, that looks terrifying. I have plastic wrap on my head, so I have to get that loose. This is definitely more terrifying than this. I'm gonna go shower.